It sounds like science fiction, but thanks to new data from the James Webb Space Telescope, some scientists are asking a wild question. Are we living inside a black hole? Let's unpack what that means. In early 2025, astronomers analyzing deep space observations from JWST noticed something strange. When studying 263 early galaxies, some of the oldest we've ever seen, over 60% were rotating in the same direction, clockwise. That might not seem like a big deal, but in a universe that formed randomly from a cosmic explosion, that's weird, really weird. If galaxies formed without preference, you'd expect about half to spin one way and half to spin the other. No big pattern, just cosmic chaos. But that's not what they saw. Instead, there was an unmistakable bias, a pattern, a swirl, one that suggested the early universe might have had a preferred direction. And that's where things get interesting. One theory says this spin alignment could be the imprint of something larger, something older, something outside our universe. Some physicists believe it could be a sign that our entire universe is inside a black hole. No, seriously. This idea, called black hole cosmology, isn't new. It's been around since the 1970s, but JWST's spin discovery has brought it back into the spotlight. Here's how it works. A black hole in another universe collapses under gravity. But instead of forming a singularity, a point of infinite density, it rebounds and expands in a new dimension. That expansion becomes a universe, our universe. Inside that black hole, time and space unfold in a way that's invisible from the outside. From the perspective of the larger universe, the black hole's event horizon is a one-way gate, but from the inside, it's the Big Bang. And if that parent black hole was spinning, which most black holes are, it could give our universe a sort of built-in rotation, a cosmic fingerprint. So when we see galaxies from the early universe all spinning in the same direction, that might not be a coincidence. It might be that fingerprint, a leftover from before our universe was even born. Now, this is a controversial idea. Most mainstream cosmologists still support the standard Big Bang model, with inflation, dark matter, and cosmic background radiation, all fitting into a neat mathematical framework. But black hole cosmology offers some wild advantages. First, it eliminates the singularity problem, no more infinite density. Second, it explains the uniformity of the universe, why everything looks so evenly spread out. Third, it opens the door to universe reproduction. Black holes don't just consume, they create. And we might be living proof. Of course, there are simpler explanations for the galaxy spin data. Maybe it's just bias in our measurements. Maybe the Milky Way's orientation affects how we observe distant galaxies. Or maybe it's a statistical fluke that disappears as we collect more data. But what if it's not? What if JWST really has captured evidence of a cosmic pattern baked into the very fabric of space? What if we've been living inside a rotating black hole this whole time, and only now have the tools to notice? That doesn't mean we're trapped or doomed or falling toward oblivion. It means the Big Bang wasn't the beginning. It was a transition, a transformation from one universe to another. It means our universe was born from the ashes of a dying star. It means time and space could be part of a never-ending cycle. Galaxies collapse into black holes. Black holes become new universes. And the story repeats, over and over, forever. That's not science fiction, that's physics, just pushed to its limits. And thanks to telescopes like JWST, we're starting to see the edges of that cosmic loop. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember, this might not be just a universe. It might be the inside of something far larger, far stranger, and far more ancient than we ever imagined. And in the swirling dance of galaxies billions of light years away, we may finally be seeing the echo of the universe that birthed us. Are we living inside a black hole? We don't know. But now we know how to ask.